We will focus on three features. First, it is tri-mode. It can connect with wireless USB-C and wired USB-C and wireless RF 2.4 dongles and Bluetooth. And the wireless mode will on PC, and for the Xbox consoles, we will connect with the USB-C cable. Yes. And the second one is the OLED display. So you can choose OLED displays, and you can choose different animations or profile settings. Yes, profile settings. And the status. Yeah, and different systems. Change different systems. And the third one is we have 4 rear buttons, so you can remap the buttons to the rear buttons, and you can also set in different sensitivities on the rear buttons, so you can choose different sensitivities during gaming. Yeah, and we also have the step triggers, so you can have the short-term ones and a long one. Yes. This one is the RAIKIRI PRO, and the next one is the RAIKIRI. Yes, and the difference between them is this RAIKIRI PRO has the OLED displays, and the next ones only have it didn't have OLED displays, and the next one is only two rear buttons, but the RAIKIRI PRO has 4. Yeah. It will available in August or July. Yeah, but the RAIKIRI is already available.
Already?
Yeah.
This is our new gaming keyboard. Yeah, his name is Scope II 96. And you can see the dimension here. It's a little smaller than the full-size keyboard, but it's actually its size is more compared to the 90% keyboard. It's a little wider than the 80%. Yeah. And he featured our new NX Snow switches. Yeah. And we choose the PON and PC as a material, as this switch structure. And you will give us a more smooth and linear typing feel. Yeah. Let's see.
Alright?
Yeah.
Linear.
Yeah, linear. This is a linear switch. And you can see the standing wall here. Since the standing wall here, right here. And there's nothing. You can see. And you will give user more stable. If you push the keyboard wherever you push, you will give you a more stand typing feel. Yeah. And you can brush the keyboard with your hand, and you can hear the sound. It's more very quiet because it's very stable.
Yes.
Yeah.
なるほどね。
You can replace any switch you like on this keyboard. You can just repair it, and you change the another switches you like.
Really difficult.
Okay. Yeah. And you could just fit a pin to pin and then install it. Okay, you can change. And it's a wireless keyboard. Yeah, you can change your mode right here, Bluetooth, and wire, and wireless RF. You mean
wireless?
Yeah, wireless. Dongle right here. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You can hear the sound. Very clean here.
これちょっと欲しいな。I'd like to buy this. Sometimes I need a
numpad right here. Yeah. So we choose a 96% layout.
Is gamers need to use 10 keys?
Not really, but when you daily using, you will need this.
Yes.
So it is very suitable for the hybrid situation.
ハイブリッド。
Yeah.
Thank
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
ああ、よかった。これ何